main advantage to television advertising is that you're able to reach such a wide audience.
Honestly, if you just try it and see the results, I don't know that you'll ever go back. We never will.
I think what it is it's kind of a legitimizing force that people see your ad on TV, they notice that and then kind of recognize it, but then if they get a mailer or see it somewhere else, now it's okay, yeah, that's a real business. That's not some, fly-by-night operation.
We decided at a very low time in the economy to go ahead and put our dollars into advertising, and it is the best decision that we could have made. It has grown our business. We are doing more business than we were doing when the economy was great before.
For us, in a down economy, we feel like we want to be in front of everybody that is in the market for shutters. And being on TV, we found it's probably the best way to reach those people.
What was impressive to us is most of our business comes from areas that we have not advertised to in any way besides TV.
We started on a program where our commercial would run for a month, and then it would be off for a month, and then it would run for a month. And the months that our commercial ran were amazing.
I think that consistency is a key to any type of advertising, is just to continue as with the program so that you're able to just always be there and you get the people that are interested today that maybe weren't, last week or last month.
Immediately increase in number of calls, potential patients that are looking to come in and use our services.
When it comes for dollar for dollar on spending on advertising, we have noticed that having a TV advertisement is the best way to go. It honestly is. It brings in the most return, it brings in the most customers, it brings in new customers, which is really hard to do in a small business.
She wants a professional piece of advertising that's cost effective, that can contact hundreds of thousands of people in a short amount of time and give validity to your company and make it look like your company probably makes more money than it does. I would definitely go with TV over any other medium.
It was the best thing we've ever done, honestly.